everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are bringing home our very first two pets. Guess who they are? They're cockatiels! Yes, you guys, these guys here are Australian parrots. They're medium-sized and they're really cute.
Me and my brother are going to build a new home for our new family members. We preferred to have a medium-sized cage, a conure cage, because it's good for two cockatiels.
It is important to have a ladder in the cage because cockatiels like to climb stuff, and me and my sister had a short debate over where to put the ladder.
Add 2 or more perches in the cage. After this hard work, this is what we came up with. What a relief!
Don't forget to add a mirror for them in the cage. Now it's time for them to go in their new cage. This is going to be hard because I'm not an expert at catching birds. These guys are wild, so it's going to be a bit hard to catch them, and they are also a bit afraid of us. With the help of our dad, we got them into their new cage. It was not an easy task. These innocent-looking birds aren't the way they look. Inside, if you didn't even know them, they bite a lot. We named our new pets Mango and Cookie. We will explain more about cockatiels in our next video. Stay tuned for that.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.